Monday Mindset, a quote about your thinking, your thoughts, and a Gump interpretation of that quote to get your work week started for the holiday season. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Mama always said if the toaster doesn't work, just unplug it and give it a shake and then plug it back in again. It always seemed to work after that. Sometimes if I don't feel like I'm working properly, I try to unplug from whatever I'm doing and shake off the cobwebs and then plug myself back in again.